it simplifies for you all the REST API calls. So I have used it heavily in this application. So let's go more now into the actual code. So the main entry point here is portal.js. So I'm going to open it, portal.js here, and let's see what it does. So it's an Angular module. So that's my main module here. It does the same thing as the example I shown in the ng Bonita configuration. So it specifies the URL to connect to Bonita. So it's on the same server. So I have just /Bonita. I don't have even the localhost 8080 port. It's just /Bonita because we're on the same server. And then there's a couple of logic here. For example, here we have the logic to describe how we log in. So you can find again Bonita authentication login. The logout logic, the fact whether we are logged in or not. This is what controls display the home screen or the login screen. And we have also a check for active session if we refresh the page. Now, you notice that in the HTML code we have this login tag and this home tags. These are not standard HTML tags, and the content shown in login page or home page is not visible in the source code here. Well, that's because these are directives. If I go in my file here and I jump directly at the end, you'll notice here these two blocks here describe precisely what my login bit of directive is going to do. So this creates basically an HTML tag that is bound with some fragments of code, and behind it's going to fetch this page and inject it to replace the login tag. So let's have a look. Inside my application I have my directives folder and I have my login HTML. So this is now the source code that gets injected when I'm showing my login.